Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're making some easy, adorable fabric bunnies for our Easter decorations. First, cut out a bunny-shaped template. Remember to cut the sewing line only, no seam allowance needed. Then, fold your fabric into 2 layers, right sides facing out, and trace the bunny shape onto the fabric using an iron-off marker. Be sure you're tracing on the right side of the fabric. Next, sew along the traced line, leaving a small gap for filling. I used a free motion embroidery foot for easier movement around the curves. But a regular sewing foot works too. Once stitched, roughly cut out each bunny with about 1 centimeter of margin around the edges. Time to stuff. Start with the tiny ears, then the head and body. Once it's nice and fluffy, close the gap with top stitching. For a clean finish, trim around the bunny with zigzag scissors, about 5 millimeters outside the sewing line. I used a hairdryer first to remove the marker lines, but a warm iron works even better. Now for the fun part, decorating. I used my button collection and some ribbon to add little bows on the front. You can hand sew them on or use a hot glue gun if you're making a bunch.
Huh?
And for the tail, I found some cotton ball garland, cut the balls off, and glued them to the back. Instant fluffy bunny tails. These little bunnies turned out so cute. I'm using them as gift toppers, Easter garland, bag charms, key rings. The possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching.